how to create jobs on your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create jobs on your page, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Facebook app, click on it. Click on those three lines and click on your page. Once you are here, scroll over this list until you find more. In here you have manage jobs, click on it. And you have create job. And here you can create job. So you can create a job to get started, and here you can find any open jobs, any draft jobs, or any closed jobs on your page. Easy and quick. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like.